Bustin' out the roof, I got bands in the roof. Touch me, I'll shoot. Bow, shake a little ass, get a little bag. What is up, everybody? It's your girl Clay Marie. Thank you for tuning into another hair tutorial. These are spring twists. Now this hair was actually sent to me. So this hair was sent to me by a beauty supply store off of Amazon. Now, before this company reached out to me, I had never heard of this style. It was a bit of a challenge for me, I'm not gonna lie, but I think overall they came out pretty cute. Y'all know me, I'm gonna give you a turn. To me, let me get right into it. This came from Beyond beauty supply store. So this is the packaging that the hair came in, real cute. And they sent me 3 packs of the 1B Nubian twist. So this is what it looks like. And these are the bags. So let me show y'all, because I don't really have like any hair left over. I only have these 2 pieces left. So this is what the hair looks like when you get it. It's going to be in a bundle and it came with a net wrapped around it, but this is like the length of the hair. So yeah, and I did not cut the hair. I seen people where they were like, you know, they cut it. This is how I styled the hair. This is what it looked like as I was styling. So it went from this to this, and it was simply by pulling on the hair. I have a tutorial for you all at the end of this video if you are looking to do this style, just kind of how I did it. It took me about 5 hours to do. I did it on Thursday. Today is Saturday, so I haven't had it long at all. The hair was really easy to work with. Like I said, they sent me 3 of them. They also sent these clips as well to clip your hair. So I was like, oh, that's cute. And then in this, they had a little baggie, and they also put these little hair jewelry in the bag as well. And I was like, okay, Beyond Beauty. Okay, y'all sending a girl clips, hair jewelry, like y'all doing it. Because I don't know about y'all, but I stay in a beauty supply store and they don't give me any extra. They don't give me any extra concealer when I go in there try to get some concealer. They don't give me any extra hair products when I buy 15 million of them. They don't give me any extra. So when I saw this in the Beyond Beauty bag, I was like, you know what, Beyond, crack it up. Y'all did that. Y'all did that. So I definitely have to shout out Beyond Beauty for sending me this hair. The thing I would say is if you have really thick hair, which I have thick hair, and I noticed once I started to get towards the end that I was running out of hair. I was like, oh my goodness, I hope I have enough hair to complete this hairstyle. So if you do have really thick hair, you may want to buy, you know, 2 of these packs just so you have some hair left over. I did watch previous videos and a lot of people were saying they only use 2 packs, so maybe I didn't know what I was doing or whatever, but for me I used all 3 packs. So like I said, I only have those 2 pieces that I showed you earlier. So far I like this hairstyle. Initially, I'm not gonna lie, I was like, it's okay, but I didn't really think it was me. Like I didn't think that this was, you know, something that looked good on me initially. I was like, I don't really know if I'm feeling this style. But once I did my makeup and stuff, I was like, you know what, it doesn't look too bad. I could definitely wear this for a couple of weeks. Did notice like when I would take it down, because I had it in a low ponytail for work, that it did tangle just a little bit. But overall, I mean, so far so good. I don't really have any complaints about this hair. You know, I will keep y'all updated again with my parting. I didn't really pay attention to parting. Now, y'all, don't come for me, because I know it's looking like Stevie Wonder done did my parts. But I just, you know, I can't see when I'm doing my own hair, and I just tried the best that I could with my whole parting. So I'm sure y'all, I know the back probably looks like, oh my goodness, but you know what, I'm cool with that. Because when you wear it, people, you can't really tell, you know, when I wear it, people are like, when I went to work, they were like, oh, your hair is so cute. Where did you go to get it done? And I'm like, oh, I did it. So you know what I'm saying? I mean, I wouldn't be too particular about the part. Now, if you're a perfectionist and you feel like I have to get these parts right, do you, boo-boo, do you. But I'm letting y'all know y'all could pull this style off without having to worry about your parts. How I've been wearing it, if not down, I just take it, y'all. Take my little scrunchie and I wrap the hair. Just gonna put it in a low ponytail or bun, I guess. And as y'all can see, I'm just wrapping it. Okay. and then I kind of let the front fall where it may. But overall, y'all, I think it's cute. I'm gonna list the link down below where you can purchase the hair. Looking to do this style. I hope this video helped, and also stay tuned towards the end of this video so you can see how I did my hair. As always, you guys, thank you for watching. Tell me what you want to see next, and don't forget to tune into my next videos. Alright guys, so getting into this tutorial, I'm just showing you what the hair looks like fresh out of the pack. This is how it looks. I didn't do any cutting. I had a whole video for you all, but that video did not transfer over to my computer, so I had to re-record this shot, which is why I'm only showing you one, because I had showed you like I had a section that I showed you all, but again, that didn't get transferred over. So anyway, moving forward, what you're going to do is you're just going to take a section of your hair, which is what I'm showing you now. To have your hair sectioned off, you're going to take your two pieces, which is what I'm showing you right here. You're going to take those two pieces, and all you're going to do is grab your hair and pull that piece of hair you're adding over. And then I really just braided it for a little bit. However you braid, I tried to show you all how I do my braids. I cannot braid that well, so this is just what I did. So I'm just braiding my hair down until it gets to the point where I am comfortable with twisting it. This braid is just going to secure your twist, and once you have it down, once you have it braided down to the part you like, all I do is I grab my hair along with the twist. So you're going to have two twists in one hand, two twists in the other hand, and then you're going to separate your hair in two pieces and add it to each side and then twist down. And that is all I'm doing. I'm just making sure that it is secure, and then you're just twisting it down the whole time. Once you finish, that is it, you all. So just keep twisting, and then this part you also may want to add gel. I didn't add gel to my hair, but you know, to keep your hair slicked down, you may want to add some gel in it as well. So I'm just, okay, look at my eye, Lord. My eye looks like it's closed, but I'm just twisting my hair all the way down until I get to the bottom of the twist, or until I figure out where I want to stop. Once you figure out where you want to stop, you are pretty much done. Again, I wanted mine kind of, you know, to stay in the long length, so I didn't do any cutting. I just twisted. It doesn't take too long. So just twist all the way down, and then once I finish, just really let the hair go. I didn't do anything fancy, but this is what I did throughout my whole head, throughout each section. Again, I did not do any strict parting with my hair. I just let it, you know, whatever piece I grabbed, that's the section I did. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and let me know how your hair turns out if you decide to do this style. Bye.
Yeah.